Today we are going to learn initially representation, data representation. You know, whenever we are going to communicate mission through maybe your programming language, different representations are there. Same way, for mission means your digital computer. Also, we are trying to communicate some data. That data also having some representation. So basically, two representations are possible for the digital computer system. That is fixed point representation. Fixed point representation. Another one is floating point representation. So what is this fixed point representation? What is this floating point representation? In the name itself, we can understand fixed point representation. Means any number, because in a digital computer system, we are using number system. Yes or no? Either binary or decimal or binary coded decimal or ASCII, what 8-digit, what is that? Octal, hexadecimal, everything is a numbers. Even ASCII also, we need to convert finally it is a numbers. That's why digits, either 0 or 1. Means, what's the meaning? 0 and 1. High power voltage, low power. This is the form. So for this, whenever we are going to use the representation of the data, if you consider a number, the number may be integer part, any number, or fraction part. Means there is decimal point in between. From decimal point, left side is a integer part, right portion of that decimal point is a fraction part. Yes or no? Yes or no? Now, the decimal point is fixed. That representation is called as fixed point representation. The decimal point is floating around the digits. Means left to right, right to left. It will be float. That representation is called as floating point representation. This is the basic information about fixed point representation and floating point representation. Now, we are going to discuss one by one. First one. What is the first one? Fixed point representation. What I told you, what is the meaning of fixed point representation? Your decimal point must be a fix. In a binary point is also called as decimal point. Binary point also called as decimal. Means, you know, in the decimal point it is dot. Same way in binary numbers also there is a dot, that is also called as a decimal point or binary point, not an issue. The position of the decimal point is fixed. In fixed point representation, in fixed point representation, the position of the decimal point is fixed. That is after the decimal point the portion is called as, after the decimal point, the portion is called as fractional part. Before the decimal point, the portion is called as integer part. You know that, okay? The representation of this fixed point representation again two ways. One is unsigned representation and signed representation. Unsigned representation means unsigned representation for unsigned numbers. Signed representation for signed numbers. If you are not going to give any sign in your number, means it is a defaultly positive number. Are you clear? If you want to provide positive, means you should write plus. Otherwise, you should write minus. But if you are not providing, means that is a positive, but no need to provide any sign symbol. Yes or no? Clear? So that is the purpose. If you are giving input, you are not mentioned any sign of that particular number, then you can consider the representation for unsigned representation of fixed point representation. Point should be fixed, but which unsigned representation. The syntax is that this is before point. What is the before point? Integer. After point, this is the representation. So what is signed representation? What is the extra in the signed representation? Tell me, anyone? Extra is sign. 1 bit we are going to allot for 1 bit, right? 1 bit or more than 1 bit? 1 bit. What is the representation? 1 bit? 0 for positive, 1 for negative. You know this, right? So this is a signed bit purpose, and before the dot means your decimal point. What is this? Integer. Are you following? These are the two representations in this. For example, 1 1 1 0 1 1 1. For example, 1 1 1 0 1 1. Convert it into a fixed point representation. Convert it into a fixed point representation such that 4 bits are used for integer, 3 bits are used for fraction. 4 bits are used for integer, 3 bits are used for fraction. Are you following? Question is clear? Question is clear? If this is a binary number, you represent this binary number in the form of fixed point representation. For that, how many integer bits they are asking? 4. How many fraction? This is a question. That is very simple. Tell me. First, you need to check the given number is unsigned or signed. Unsigned. So you follow this structure. First, clear? Then what we need to do? What is that? 4 digits are integer, 3 digits are fraction. 1, 2, 3 digits are fraction. Means what is the meaning? After decimal, 3 digits are fraction. Yes or no? Then you check. Remaining digits left side. 4 are there? Yes. It is suitable. Done. This is the conversion. చాలా ఈజీగా ఉంది సార్. ఏం దీనిలో మీకు చాలా డౌట్ ఉంటుంది వస్తుంది. You just work out on this. You know, today one BSNL, one FD is done. Don't tell ECE. Always you feel it is not mine. The subject is more belongs to that. Next unit we have multiplexers, decoder. I will do it. So the physical devices are available in the set. So here we are going to learn logically. You do it practically. Okay, we'll do it. Okay, now tell me. 4 bits are integer. Now same problem. 4 bits are integer. 4 bits are fraction. Do it. 4 bits are integer. 4 bits are fraction. You just represent the given number into 4 bits of integer and 4 bits of fraction in the form of fixed point representation. Huh? Then what we need to fix first? Fraction you need to fix first. What is that? Tell me, what is that? 0, 1, 1, 1. So this is a fraction after dot. Okay? Then what is the remaining? Only 3 ones. But our question is 4 integer. Then what we need to do? Is there any change? Any problem? No problem. Okay? This is the way you should think for fixed point representation. Got it? Got it? Okay. One more example. Convert or represent fixed point representation for given decimal number. Convert the given decimal number into fixed point representation. Now tell me how to do. First convert the what we need to do. Now the advantage here, 2 ways we can solve this problem. One way is first you convert your 6.5 minus 6.5. What is minus? You want to convert, you can apply 2's complement. Yes or no? Then you can design the format. But that will take more complexity. Instead, because this is what type of number it is? Unsigned or signed? So in this format, sign bit is already available. So forget about sign now. Yes or no? Yes or no? So because there is a representation purpose, we have sign bit. So you concentrate about number. The sign we can take it later, whatever it is. Yes or no? So now what you need to do, what we told is correct. First you convert 6.5 into binary number. How to convert 6.5? You know the procedure. Do it. First 6. What out? Huh? How to do already you know. Now tell me what is the binary number of 6? 0, 1, 1, 0. Dot. What is the 0.5? 0, 1, 0, 1. Dot 5. I don't think so. How to do? Into multiply dot 5 into 2. You should do it. How much? I think 1, 0. I think 1, 0. Is it right? Then why you are confusing? You all are mathematical background. You can do it to the things in your brain. 1, 0. How? 0.5 into 2. How much? 1.00. So 1 is there already. 0, 0 into your 2. 0. So 1, 0 is a binary number for your 0.5. Are you clear? The calculation we have done. Now tell me. 1, 0. This is your binary conversion for this number. Yes or no? Then how to represent in fixed point representation? How to represent? Huh? How to represent? Now tell me. For fraction part, what is the fraction part? 1, 0. What is the integer? 0, 1, 1, 0. What is the sign? Here minus 1. Then 1. So this is the represent. Are you following? Are you following? Next, if you are followed, I will give you one assignment. You do it in your home. Okay? Convert or represent the given number, decimal number is minus 43.625. Represent the decimal number, that is minus 43.625 in the fixed point representation. In the fixed point representation, extension. Fixed point representation which consists 32-bit representation, which consists 32-bit representation. In that 15 bits for integer, 16 bits for fraction. In that 15 bits for integer, 16 bits for fraction. Question is clear? Shall I explain this question again? First, how to convert, you know? After do it now, otherwise. Convert it. After conversion, you will get some binary number. Yes or no? Yes or no? Before decimal, how many digits are required? In Japan integer? 15. Before decimal, 15. After decimal, 16 fraction. If it is not came, you should add zeros. Do it. 1 minute. 1 minute. I will give 1 minute time. Do it fast. Easy, right? Easy or difficult? Do it. All are gate questions. This is also a gate question.